What's going on YouTube? This tutorial, I just want to show you a cool trick that you can use to copy and paste a formula from one workbook to another without keeping the reference to the old workbook. So to do this, you want to first highlight the range of the cells that contains the formulas that you want to copy paste. In this example, there's only one cell, cell C8. Then you want to do Control F for find and select. And what you want to do is you want to go from find to replace. And you want to replace the equal sign that is in the formula with a random word, such as say Excel, for example. And then you want to click replace all to replace all of them, or if you want to double check that you're doing it right, do find all, and then you can replace. So in this case, I'm just going to click replace all, and then all done, we made one replacement. So as you can see, now the function is Excel VLOOKUP and sheet 1. Now we can copy and paste this over here. And then we can do the same thing. So we can do Control F in this one, and then we can reverse it. So we can reverse the word Excel to the equal sign, and then click replace all. And as you can see, all done. We made one replacement. Now, as you can see, the structure of the two workbooks is different. This is just kind of an example. Which is why I threw an error. But that said, as you can tell, it copied and pasted the formula without the workbook, without the reference to the old workbook. So that said, I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.